Are you leaking money and don't even realize it? Most business owners are. The hidden bleed. Unnecessary costs, bad credit terms, and inefficient systems silently drains your profits every single month. And here's the kicker. By the time you notice, it's often too late to reverse the damage without serious restructuring. I help business owners uncover and stop the bleed fast, before it spirals into a crisis. Stop guessing and hoping. Book your strategy session now and let's plug the leaks before your business hits the wall. Click below to take action today. As always, I've got to do the mandatory disclaimer. These videos are for educational purposes only, and they are not to be taken as legal or financial advice whatsoever. I hope to see you in the next video.